Want to enjoy PlayStation app on your PC, but no PlayStation app available for Windows and Mac OS? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install PlayStation app in your PC in just a few minutes. Let's get started. As you can see, PlayStation app only available for Android and iOS. That means there is no PlayStation PC version available. But here we'll be using a program called an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android phone right inside your Windows PC, allowing us to download and run the PlayStation app just like you would on your phone. Step 1. Download an Android emulator. Some of the most popular and reliable options are LD Player and BlueStacks. Open your web browser and go to the official LD Player or BlueStacks website. Be sure to download it only from the official source to avoid any unwanted software. Run the installer. You can choose the default installation settings. This process might take a few minutes as it sets up the virtual Android environment. Once it's finished, open LD Player or BlueStacks, whichever emulator you installed. When BlueStacks or LD Player starts, it will act like a new Android device. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is required to access the Google Play Store. After launch Play Store, use the search bar inside the Play Store and type in PlayStation app. Click Install. The PlayStation app will now download and install directly within the BlueStacks Android environment. This should only take a moment. Once it's installed, find the PlayStation app icon and open it. You'll see the familiar login screen. Enter your PSN sign-in ID. That's your email address and your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which you should for security, you'll be prompted to enter that code. That's it. You have successfully installed PlayStation on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.